How to add email pop-up on Wix. I am inside the Wix editor right now, and here we are going to use the search bar or the search tool to search for MailChimp, and we will see this MailChimp Forms by MailMunch. We want to get this one. If we click on open here, then we can click to add to our site, and this is what it's going to look like. So deep integration, so you can get these email pop-ups. So if people type out their email, they can receive some content from you, and it's gonna look like this. You can see an overview. So if we click on add to site, it will actually tell us that a premium site is required, but basically if you add this to your website, then you can very easily set up email pop-ups with MailChimp. So hope this video helps you out. That is the application. That is the one that you have to get in order to get, email pop-ups on your Wix website. So leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.